Guys, there's a hill storm here on the road. Hello guys, good afternoon. So today I have a local delivery. So I'm going to Edmonton. I have to drop off. One is in Edmonton and then the other one in Nisku. So ngayon, right now I'm in the yard. I'm about to leave now. Yeah. Is it, what time is it now? Like almost 4 o'clock. So probably I will stop over in Petropas and sleep over there if the location has overnight parking, so I can go straight to the delivery location. I'm going to see. Alright guys, let's hit the road.
cruising along in my old town ride. So here's to the road and the open sky, to the old time ride and the goodbye. We'll keep on rolling till the sun goes down, just cruising along with this happy sound.
The hills from here on the road. So guys, there's a hill tornado here, guys. So after hot battle fought, look at this. I got hit by hail right here, the windshield. Wow, there's a big storm here, guys. No. Alright guys, finally I arrived in Petropas Edmonton, which is like very close to the delivery location tomorrow. Just probably like 5 minutes away. Alright, so tonight gonna stay overnight here, and I have scheduled our appointment delivery at 8 a.m. in the morning. I get 2 delivery actually, guys. So one's here in Edmonton, and after finish dropping off the first delivery, and then I'm going to go to drop off the second delivery, which is in Nisku. Probably like 30-40 minutes from here. Alright, we'll check out the truck first. So this is the load that I'm going to deliver tomorrow. So the one with tarping, first delivery, at Edmonton, and this one pallet, this is the second drop off, which is in Nisco. Good morning guys, good morning YouTube. So finally I have arrived at the delivery location. This is Powell Distribution, oh sorry, Powell Industries Canada, which is in Edmonton. So guys, very strict here, so I have to wear safety glass and boot also. Look, going to shipping office now. Well, I think that one, shipping. Alright. Where's the receiving? Wrong place guys. That side is shipping. The receiving is it right here. I don't know where is it. Okay, the shipping is right there. See, it's confusing. There's no sign. Which way the receiving, which way the shipping. Alright. Alright there. Alright guys, they said it's okay because they're gonna unload here as long as there's a space here for the forklift and also on the other side. Yeah, I think it's good enough. Let's get it done. Let's get it done guys. Start unloading now guys. This is the problem. Very mahirap to fold this tarp alone. Yeah, I can do it. Done. I roll the top, secure it. I just get the paperwork from the office, then I'll go to the next delivery. Alright guys, the first drop off done. Now we're going to go to the second drop off, which is in Nisco. It's just one small pallet. Alright guys, let's hit the road. Alright guys, I'm here now in the delivery location, the second drop off in Nisco. Alright, it's just one pallet. Alright guys, I don't know which door, maybe this one. Alright guys, we're done. Second drop off. Now just gonna wait for the dispatch instruction what to do next. Look at my windshield guys. Yesterday was hit by hails, big hails. There's like a crack around there, but it's lucky it's not that extreme damage. Still safe to drive. So guys, I got an update from dispatch. So they want me to go to Edmonton yard and do inventory of my trailer there. and yeah, after that I don't know what's next. So guys, I think I'm gonna end this video for now. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, the Addis Family Vlogs at Indotrucker. Peace on trucking, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.